Hey there. If this is your first time with me, my name is Ben. And if you watched my last ukulele lesson and it was a bit overwhelming, then have no fear. This lesson is so easy that I can play it with one hand while holding my wife up in the air while she holds the ukulele. Sounds crazy. Let's take a look. I'm not a trained professional, but I definitely don't recommend trying that at home. But enough about me, let's talk about you. Okay, we're gonna break this down. Although you can try this with your fingers, I suggest playing with a pick to get the most out of this song. We'll be playing the song with alternate picking. You can do a down pick by starting above the note and picking down, or an up pick from starting below and striking the string as you go up. Throughout this song, we'll be using alternate picking, and you can see on the ukulele tab a U if you're going up or a D if you're going down. This song is called Doodah. We will start by playing the fourth string open. This is the string that's closest to your head, and we'll play it with a down pick. Then we will add an up pick to the next string, the third string, then another down on the fourth string, then another up pick on the second string, down pick on the fourth string, and an up pick on the first. Now in my last lesson, I suggested that you could pay me for Skype lessons if you needed help reading tab. But I'm a terrible business person, so this lesson is actually a great way to start learning to read tab. Are you ready? Okay, let's break this down. If you look at the accompanying tab, you will see 4 lines, just like the 4 strings on your ukulele. However, the 4th string is represented by the bottom of the 4 lines, and the 1st string is represented by the top. If it seems upside down to you from when you're playing the uke, I know what you mean. But them's the rules, and I didn't make them. All I can tell you is that this system is consistent. So once you get the hang of it, you'll be able to look up tons of music on the intranets. Let's start by reviewing and playing the first measure together. I'll play it 2 times, once with the split screen and once just with the tab. Try to stay consistent with the details and timing as you practice this. Here's the second measure. These notes are longer in duration. Here's our third measure. As you learn these, try to think ahead and anticipate the next note before you get there. Here's our final measure. After I play it for you, I'll put the whole thing together for you to play along with. I know this is a simple song, but it's a great way to warm up and improve your right hand control. You want to be able to feel the distances between the strings using only your muscle memory. I suggest practicing this until you can play without looking at your right hand at all. A great way to bring this into your practice routine is to play it 3 times a day, every day, before moving on to other songs or exercises. It will literally take you less than a minute. Let's get this right hand coordinated and strong. Keep strumming, and may the force be with you. That seem okay?
Mm-hmm.